Hello guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Tom Jones, and I'm going to be doing an unboxing. Am I unboxing the food? No, I'm going to be unboxing my iPhone 12 Pro Max today. So you can see I'm just having my meal. I think I'm just going to unbox this first before unboxing this. I've been using this Samsung S10 Plus prior to this one now, so it's a fantastic phone. In fact, I'm going to miss it. So the only reason I'm changing to iPhone is because, as a media person, the best thing and the most convenient product to use is Apple product. Trust me, in my own opinion. So stay tuned and we'll do the unboxing together, okay? And before you go, I just want you to see this my t-shirt. If you like this t-shirt, please comment below, and I'm going to tell you how you're going to go about getting this. I actually customized this myself, okay? See you in a bit. Wow, this has got a very solid casing. So yeah, wow, this is so nice. So let me peel off. There's something, yeah, we have to peel this off, the plastic around the casing. I like the way Apple does their product now. So you just peel, you don't need to, you can actually keep the plastic if you want to. Yes, so this is the cover, which is very solid as well. So yeah, and that's this. Yeah, very solid phone. This is really solid. Peeling off the paper on the screen, which is nice. It used to be plastic. I wonder why they've put paper this time. So it's alright. Not bad. Okay, there's 3 cameras. Yeah, very solid. And the shape is just like the iPhone 5. Yes, iPhone 5 coming back to life. There's a cable. The only thing that has changed about this cable is that the USB connector has been replaced with a Type-C connector. So, and everything now is changing to Type-C connector. And yeah, that's just it. Every other thing remains the same. And this is the normal Apple thing. The sticker comes with one Apple sticker, which is not bad, and the pin for the same. Right, so okay, for the SIM tray. So that's the pin. That's I've got a few pins at home as well. I love it. I'm keeping this phone, no doubt. I'm gonna keep it. I love it. Solid. This is solid. Okay. Right. Let me try and turn it on and see. Oh, my bad. I haven't used an iPhone in a while. I think it's on the side. It's usually on the side. Okay, no, that's not it. Yeah, this say right. Expecting to see hello. Oh, Apple. I think the hello comes after this. Yeah, you go. Hello. Right. My Apple phone, solid. So guys, that's just me unboxing my iPhone 12 Pro Max. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell button so you'll be the first person to get a notification whenever I load any video. Alright, catch you soon. Bye now.